I had a fan, I did, yeah. Once upon a time. But unfortunately, my fan has stopped working. It don't work. I'll show you. Look, don't believe me. Here's my fan, it's plugged in, ready to go. And nothing is happening. There's something bizarre, reading. That's just the base. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart and see what is causing the mischief. Now, I think I need to start really with this, see where the power's coming in and see whether or not we have power going to these switches. That's going to be my first port of call. So let's remove some of these screws. Okay, let's remove them. Yeah, they're coming out. There they are. I'm hoping this is going to be an easy repair. If it's not, it's a binner. Yeah, I'll go put it in the bin. Use that instead. Okay. I'm hoping they're the only two little screws, because I can't see any others. Unless there's one behind that. Nope, there isn't. So, let's turn it off. Isolate! Isolate. Before... Oh, I see. You've got these little things on the side here, these little clips. So obviously got to push them in. Now, you're probably thinking, why on earth are you bothering with that? It looks like a cheap ass fan, and you'd be right, it is. It's a cheapie, and it is. So, I just undone it, and I'll push back in it, there you go. Alright, the reason is because I want to see. I want to see what's going on. Now, we have the power coming in here, okay? And then we have a series of switches. That's power coming in. That is clearly the neutral, heading up to the motor. And then we have 3 speeds. So then we've got our 3 speeds here. We've got the live. We've got... Oh! This is an easy fix. This is an easy fix. The wires come off. That is broken. So maybe it got pulled, maybe. No, it's just broken. I think it's an easy fix. So let's turn on soldering line on. Oh, the mist. Oh, she's going to be so happy. She is. It's going to be a good night tonight. Yeah, I can keep her all cool. Now, do I want to keep her cool? I don't want to heat her up. Oh, I don't want that. Oh, no, it's been too hot. I don't know what it's like where you are, but we've been at 40-odd degrees Celsius here in France, and it's, oh my giddy aunt, it is cold. No, it's hot. What the fuck's wrong with my mind? It's hot, okay. All right, I've got the solder iron heating up. Let's go get some solder. There's some solder. I might grab some flux as well, just to help us on our merry way. Soldering. I know there's this flux cord, but just in case, I've got some better stuff here. Right, so we have our soldering iron here. And it's saying it's at 380 degrees. That's I'm going to heat it right up. 480 is going up to now. That's good. Well, it will be in a minute. It's 400, 480 it'll be. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it off there. Make sure you completely unplugged. And then we're going to clean the old solder off. Let's get a sucker. A desoldering sucker. You can use other things to desolder with. You can get like a braid, like a copper braid. I'm just going to use my sucker. So we're going to heat this up on here to remove the excess solder. And we'll start fresh. Oh my god, my hands are shaking. It's a bit wobbly, isn't it? Or they all wobbly. Alright, look at that one. Not very good, are they? Very wobbly. Anyway, let's heat that up. There you go. Heat that again a bit more. That's better. That'll do. That'll do. That's good. So let's make sure I don't melt my wires. So we're not plugged in. We're good with that. Yeah, I'm happy that I'm not plugged in because I don't want to die. No dying today, thank you. So, obviously there's a bit of fatigue on there. Oh my giddy aunt. What's happened to this? It's breaking off. It's broken up a bit off. Da, 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 da. So where it's been soldered, it seems to have corroded. There's something that has corroded the copper from the wire. Right, yeah. So literally from that much has corroded. So what's that like inside there, I wonder? Well, that's not just stretched, that is there. So it's clearly what the problem is. Are they all like that though? No. No, they're okay. Why not cause that? Strange. So we'll tin that first. Oh, I'm glad it's an easy repair. So I'm just going to tin it. Might need this. I need to tin the end of my soldering iron. Actually, looking at that, have I got a sponge anywhere? No, we haven't. I do. I've got a little white one. In there, and in there. Yeah. Let's just clean that. Brush the end of that off a little bit, so I can just tin it. I don't know. It's like cleaning your feet and teeth. Oh my god, don't clean your teeth. Oh my god, I had trouble with my toothbrush. I've got a Oral-B toothbrush, right? Electric one. And I've had it a long time, alright? A long time. Let's tighten it up one at that. And it turned itself on, vibrated itself into the basin. I found it just running in the basin. God knows how long it's been sitting there for. And ever since, it's turned itself on, and you can't turn it off properly. The only way you can turn it off is literally by put it back on the charger and then it turns itself off. So hopefully not one with tin, that'll right. I've got shaky hands today. I've got fibromyalgia and it caused me all sorts of grief. There we go. Ouch. Yeah, that copper isn't actually taking the solder very well. Right, it's there. See, that's going to be too short to start with, so I'll have to get some more wire, bring some more wire into it. Once I've tinned that, that's not tinning very well at all. Why is that? Probably because there's corrosion on it still. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to release it up here to bring more through so we can actually reach the connections. But I'm going to have to remove some of this because it's not happy. It's really not happy. It's tinned it there, that's alright. Right, so what we've got to do now is we need to, like I said, we need to try and pull some more through. Which means I've got to release the clamp. And usually what you do is pull the whole thing through, don't you? Ugh. Come on, out you come. So I can get that. Pull this clamp out here. There you go. So I can then release that, then move that up a bit. Hopefully I ain't got no fatigue in that, because that's a really bad design for a cable clamp, because you can see, look, create fatigue in the wires. So it's not clever. No, it's not clever. So okay, now I can start again and be not clever again. Push that back in if I can. Easy and done. Doesn't want to know. So easy little repair. So in the day, it's another fan for the house. So if it is working after this, which I hope it is, it seems like a obvious fault. So now I need to solder that onto that. I'm going to tin that as well while I'm at it. Some fresh solder. Yeah. I'll put that through there like that. And then we'll basically place it through the hole. And I'm going to put a bit of solder on there. Has it got it? Yep, that's got it. That's on there. Alright, should we see if it works? Let's make sure it's turned off first. Just that one. Plug it in and see if it works. Might go bang! That'd be funny, wouldn't it? You'll laugh, wouldn't you? Yeah, probably. Alright. It's looking good so far. Will it go bang? Well, it hasn't gone bang. Not yet. Right, so it's good to there. So let's try on number one. There you go. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, it's like a flower.